let's be real, keeping up with the internet slang can sometimes feel like a full-time job these days. 1 second you're vibing, and then the next moment someone says something like low-key or that's fire, and you're left wondering, what on earth are they talking about? If that sounds familiar, don't worry, I've got you. I've put together a list of 10 slang words that you will see on the internet all the time, so you can actually understand what people are saying on social media, or at least fake it really, really well. Okay, let's get into it. The first word today is flex. You might already know that to flex means to tighten and show off your muscles, just like bodybuilders do. See what I did there? But on the internet and social media, flex has taken on a whole different meaning. These days, to flex means to show off or to brag about something. Maybe how much money you have, or how nice your clothes are, or what car you just bought, for example. Here are some examples. She just casually posted a photo with 3 phones and said she lost one. Big flex. So here she's clearly showing off her expensive lifestyle. Not to flex or anything, but I got promoted twice this year. He's saying he doesn't mean to brag, but he's definitely bragging a little. He said he still has his middle school spelling bee trophy. Weird flex, but okay. It's like, okay, this is maybe a weird thing for an adult to hold on to, but cool. Okay, number 2, NGL. This stands for not gonna lie. People use it online, in text, or on social media when they are going to be honest about something. It's kind of like saying, okay, I'm just being real here, or I'm just being honest here, before giving your opinion on something. So here are some examples. NGL. I really enjoyed that cheesy movie that we watched yesterday. So we're admitting something that might not be cool or popular to say. NGL. I thought your presentation was the best one today. Here we're giving a compliment. NGL. I totally forgot about our meeting this morning. So here you are owning up to a mistake, or admitting that you made a mistake or forgot something. Okay, next, number 3, slay. So if you've ever heard someone say, she's slaying it, or slay, you've probably thought, what does that mean? Well, slay doesn't mean what it used to mean in the old days, which is fighting dragons or demons or something like that. Now, slay is about being amazing at something and looking really, really good while you're doing it. It's like saying you're killing it or you're owning it. That means you're doing something really, really well, and people are showing their appreciation for what you're doing. So here's some examples. She is slaying in that dress. So complimenting an outfit that someone looks really good in. She absolutely slayed her dance performance last night. So complimenting someone for a performance or something they've done. NGL, or not gonna lie, he's been slaying it with this new album. I can't stop listening. So here we're talking about someone doing really, really great at their work, like a musician in this case. Okay, number 4, diabolical. So we can use this word to describe something that is really, really bad, really evil. But here's the twist. People now use the word diabolical to talk about something that is really crazy or really messy in a very exaggerated way. So it's another way of saying, whoa, that's next level. Here are some example sentences. His plan to skip work and still get paid was absolutely diabolical. So here we're talking about a really sneaky and clever plan. The villain had a really evil, diabolical laugh in that film. Here we're using diabolical because it sounds evil and twisted. That prank was diabolical. You got everyone so good. So here we're complimenting someone's clever prank. Okay, next, number 5, insane. All right, so we know the word insane usually means crazy or mentally unstable, right? But in slang, it's used to mean something that is really unbelievable or wild or out of the ordinary. It's like saying, that's amazing, or that's so cool. So, for example, did you see that basketball dunk? Whoa, that was insane. So here we're talking about something impressive or very cool to see. She finished the project in one night. That's insane. Here we're using that's insane because it's very impressive and unbelievable. The view from the mountaintop is insane. Here we're describing something breathtaking and beautiful. So we're using insane to emphasize how amazing and beautiful that thing is. Okay, number 7, low key. So if someone says they're low key obsessed with something, that means they really like it, but they're trying not to make a big deal about it. It's chill, it's subtle, it's giving understated enthusiasm. So here are some examples. Low key, I kind of want to stay in and bail on the plans tonight. So here you're admitting you don't want to go out. You're admitting it quietly as to not make a big deal about it. She's low key, one of the most funny people I've ever met. So we're not loud about it, but we're saying that she's really funny. I low-key miss when Instagram was just food pics and sunsets. Here this is a bit nostalgic. We're not saying we really miss it, but we're hinting that we're a bit nostalgic. Okay, number 8. High key. So high key, you are fully owning your feeling or opinion with zero filter. This is when you are not trying to hide how you feel about something at all. So you say it with your chest. For example, I high key need a vacation, like now. So that means you're not joking, you're 2 seconds away from booking a flight. He high key carried that project. That means he basically did all of the work. I high-key love all of the chaotic energy that she brings. So we're all in on saying that with no shame again. Okay, number 9, that's fire. That's fire has been around for quite a while, but it's still going strong. So this basically means it's really good. So this can be a song, an outfit, or anything that just hits. So it's simple and straight to the point. So for example, that outfit is fire. So here we're complimenting someone's outfit, saying it looks really great. That beat is actually fire. Where did you find it? That pizza place you recommended, fire. Okay, number 10, I'm shook. So I'm shook is a fun, dramatic way to say something surprised you or took you off guard. So it's kind of exaggerated too. Like you're not just surprised, it feels like your soul just briefly left your body. She got engaged yesterday. I'm shook. So we're surprised that she got engaged and we're making it more dramatic. He just casually ran a marathon with no training. I'm shook. So here we're blown away and surprised by someone doing something really unexpected. That plot twist at the end of the movie, I'm still shook. And finally, vibe. So this word is kind of a catch-all. It can describe a mood, an aesthetic, a person or a place. So basically anything that gives a certain feeling. If something is a vibe, that means it just works. There's a good energy. Everything fits. It's one of those words that doesn't have a strict meaning, but when you know, you'll feel it. For example, this playlist is such a vibe. So that means it's setting the perfect mood, fun, chill, or whatever fits the mood. She's got main character energy, total vibe. That means that she's got a really good aura or personality, and you're complimenting her energy. I walked into the room and immediately felt weird. The vibes were off. So here we're talking about the feeling of a place not feeling quite right. It doesn't feel good. All right, that's the list. So hopefully now when you're scrolling through TikTok or Instagram and you see words like high key or vibe, you're not going to be staring at your phone confused. If you enjoyed this today and you liked learning these new internet slang words, then please like and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. No pressure, but I'd high-key like to have you guys around. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.